Just got off the plane and we're eating. Literally so bomb. Tita, ¿qué toma?
Yo, un tinto.
Good morning, loves. I'm currently doing my makeup. My grandma's downstairs making food. My parents are in their room. But we made it to Medellin, Colombia. That was just crazy trying to get here, but we're finally here and we're gonna enjoy today. It's gonna be such a chillax day. Honestly, we're just gonna be walking around, going to the mall, looking at little stores, eating, like all of that. We're about to go have breakfast at this restaurant. I'll show y'all. Don't worry, I'm gonna take y'all with me. But yeah, today's gonna be such a chill day, trying to spend time with my grandparents. But the next 2 days are gonna be so crazy. We're going to so many fun places. So I'll give y'all little clips of today, but for sure the next 2 days are gonna be so crazy and so much fun. Like today, I just have a really chill outfit on, shorts, my Nikes, and you know, but the next days are gonna be cute and we're gonna just have so much fun. But I'll show you what we do today, but just stay tuned for the next 3 days. I just know it's gonna be so much fun. But anyways, yeah, let's get on with this vlog. Eating good, fam.
We'll see.
And more, and there's a second part down there. My grandma has a cita. She has a doctor's appointment, and then yeah. Walk around. Say hi, familia.
Hola.
Fun fact, guys, my phone case completely broke in half. How? I have no idea how a phone case can break in half, but it did on the way off of here, so that's fun. So I'm gonna look for a new one. Yesterday we came and I tried looking for a new one, but they are so expensive, right, dude?
What's inside these?
I don't know. Don't look. We're looking at the iPhones. We're gonna see how much they cost here and how much they're over there.
6,229,900 no pesos.
This is the iPhone 14 Pro. ¿Cuánto es eso allá?
$6,229,900.
Here.
$6,229,900.
That's so crazy. That's expensive.
Digo.
So, estamos mirando el libro. Look at this. If you know, you know. We literally have this over there. That's insane. That's so cool. I don't know why I thought it was so cool, but yeah.
Bring your doggy. Tu mascota.
Literally just drop him off.
Yeah, you drop them.
Why you go grocery
You
shopping?
go grocery shopping. Is that not the cutest thing? I would 100% be taking Lily to this.
What's up, guys? I got a phone case. I don't know if I told y'all, my phone case completely broke. Josh is drinking
I'm not sponsored.
He's drinking Colombiana. Here it's like crazy. But I'm drinking Red Bull watermelon. I don't know.
Let me try it.
It's kind of sweet in a way. Judge me, but yeah, I did get chicken and fries with the cup. My parents are getting bandeja paisas. Josh will just eat his up. Grandpa's eating. We're gonna grow up because I'm hungry. OMG. Yeah, like so bomb. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna be sharing with them. Yum. Tasty. Basically, we came to this place called Happy City. I'll try to find the video of last time we came and we went down this slide. I'll show you in just a minute. That slide right there. I kind of sort of peed on myself last time we did this because it was so funny.
2 years ago. Exactly.
A year, exactly. My grandma was so funny when she was coming down and I could not stop laughing. But anyways, we're gonna do it again, so I'm excited. Say hi, Tito. But anyways, I'm gonna insert a clip of that if I can find it, but we're about to go down right here. So we're on a walk and we just found our cousin. She's voting. She's what is she doing, Mom?
She's running for the council of the, I guess, the city governor. Esta es mi prima. Yo soy Sandy Hill antes de casarme. Y ella es Diana Hill. Y está corriendo por la concejal del alcalde. ¿Cierto, mami?
So cool.
That is my cousin, mi prima.
Hi, loves. We're back. We had a little outfit change. It's an OOTD jean jacket because it might get chilly at night. But yeah, we're about to leave to San Antonio. It's like it's another little town, right?
Yeah.
It's like a town. And yeah, they have a bunch of little stores and stuff. So that's what we're gonna go do. Yeah, tiendita y todo. So yeah, we're about to get the bus. La buseta, oh, it's literally coming right now as we speak. So we're gonna go get on. Are we excited? Look at Mama, she's literally so gorgeous. Too much tan. Okay, we're going. Bye. He just fell. Okay.
¿Qué más corta?
A ver. Mom, tell us qué es eso.
Un buñuelo delicioso. Que me llevan a mi infancia. A mí nos hacía por lo menos unos 100 y ya no volvió a hacer. Dio perecita. Y este es un periquito. Gracias. Mira.
¿Y papi?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino de vainilla.
Tita, ¿qué lea? Un número,
Cappuccino.
un 10, un 7, un 5, un 10.
¿De dónde es?
¿Por qué se tapa la cara? ¿Ah?